Hi everyone. In our previous videos, we have learned that the specific sounds which are made by swar are represented as matra when we're making a word. Today in this video, we will do swar A. Now swar A is represented as this matra when we're making up a word. Let's take an example. Banana. Banana in Hindi is called kela. Now, K sound is made by taking Vyanjan K and Swar A. But as we know that the Swar is represented as a Matra, so it would be represented as this in a word. Now that we have K, we can put together this like Vyanjan L and Matra A, and together it will make K La. Let's get to Swar A. Now, swar A is represented as this matra. For example, soldier. Soldier in Hindi is sainik. Now, the sa sound is made by taking swar A and vyanjan sa, and together it will make sa. It also has another sound that is ni. Now that is made by taking Vyanjan na and swar e, and that would make ni. And now we can put it together, se, ni, and Vyanjan ka, and together it will make sainik. Dhanyavad.